Welcome back to Deck Trains, the weekly series where we explore a different train set from the collection every week. And this week we're going to look at another Fleischmann start set number 6344, possibly from 1972 Novelties catalog, because I cannot find it in any of the regular catalogs. But the same set started in 1966 as set number 1030, 67 as set 1040, 70 as set 1050, and up and through 1980. And there's various combinations of refrigerated beer wagons, tank wagons, and even some low-side good wagons tossed in for this set. It seemed to be whatever was available. The set returned in the early 80s, and it came back as a passenger train set only, with a different locomotive. Now we have a specific DR53 version 3 number 4124, and that set is too new for me to collect. So off we go with this week's set. It's going to be the Gebrüder Fleischmann Nürnberg 060 tender locomotive pulling a Carlsberg beer refrigerated wagon and a Shell tank wagon. In part 2, not only are we going to bring back our Fleischmann track cleaning wagon, but we're going to bring in a variation to the set with the Esso tank wagon and the Heineken refrigerated beer wagon. Wow. And now, part 3 is coming up. Wow, I can't wait. Compared to my last 060, this one is lightning fast. Maybe we should call it McQueen. So, 50% power, 170 kilometers an hour. That's 105.6 miles an hour. The prototype DR53, which shows up in the 1982 set, is rated at 60 kilometers per hour. Part 3 is going to see us throw everything onto the track, almost the kitchen sink also. A couple tank wagons, a couple beer wagons, a track cleaning wagon, along with the locomotive. And here's 4 weeks worth of trains to look at for the moment as they go by. Tune in next week for a 1980s start set from Loco, number 41046, little diesel Loco, a couple goods wagons. But thanks for watching this past week, folks. Hope you stay healthy.